Okay, we're gonna talk about self-employment taxes again today, just real quick. Self-employment taxes for beginners, if you will. This will be a little bit of a follow-up video from the one yesterday, so I'll throw that up right here on the screen. You know, just because you can doesn't mean you should. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're self-employed, if you're brand new and you're eagerly learning about what are all these great tax deductions and things that you can write off, you know, that's great. But there are some ramifications whether you decide to or not to write something off against your business. So let's talk about that real quick. Well, number one of the things that CPAs have told me over the years, whether I've worked with them personally or professionally, is you just don't want to take negative losses. You don't want to show a loss too many years in a row. And so if you are just starting out and you're scraping to get by and you're figuring out what you can do, don't show a loss negative 2 years in a row if you can avoid it, right? You know, if it is the nature of your business, then hey, it is the nature of your business. But if you can avoid showing a loss in consecutive years, I've been told it's not a bad idea. So that's one reason why just because you can doesn't mean you should. The second reason is, you know, if you're brand new to entrepreneurship, or if you're in your 20s or if you're in your 30s and you're just starting out, maybe you just converted from W-2 over to 1099, you know, one of the things you're gonna have to compete with is your ability to document your income. And one of the ways you're gonna have to do that is by showing profit in your brand new self-employment business that you just started. So this is the other reason that people sometimes don't always think about is, you know, how is your life planning going? How is this new business venture going to shape the fabric of your life moving forward from here? Well, financially speaking, sure, you might be able to have a lot of write-offs, but what does that mean in regards to your ability to purchase a home, for your ability to, you know, get bonding for your business? So, you know, depending on how big you're going to scale your business, you may or may not need to get bonding for certain larger projects that you take on, you know, getting a DUNS number. So at the end of the day, I don't know why I said DUNS number there, but at the end of the day, you're just gonna have to figure out when is an appropriate time to take a deduction, take a write-off, and when isn't. And that's why when you're learning self-employment taxes, you have to learn them and then ask yourself, how does this apply to my situation? And then just keep learning. Hey, if any of this video was helpful for you, I would appreciate it. Share it with somebody that's brand new. Give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. See you in the next one.